Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add audio in Canva video. So let's get started. First of all, open up any project in Canva. After opening the project, now in this section, which is at left side, you will see an option audio button. And in my side, there is no option. And in my side, there is no any option button. So don't worry about it. You just have to tap on apps. After tapping on apps, just scroll down and here it is. What you have to do, you just have to click on it. After clicking on it, now there is a lot of musics according to your needs, according to your moods, you can select it. Now, how can you apply audio to your video? So you just have to drag and drop it. Just drag this and place it to the drop music section which you are seeing below. So just tap here and place it here. Now you can see the audio is completely added to your video. You can adjust this by adjusting the timestamp according to your need. Let's suppose I want this music from here. So what you have to do is you just have to drag and drop and swipe to the right side and apply to the specific area in which you want to apply music. And that's how you can apply music in your Canva. That's all for guys today. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.